You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate it. Maybe you didn't notice, but this year I did not do any gingerbread houses because I've done so many over the years. I thought, well, let me show something that's cookie and similarly related that I could decorate. It's something that I think is cool. The Hot Wheels Create a Treat, Decorate Your Own Hot Wheels Cookie Set. Kit includes 8 cookies and easy-to-use icing. This is a skill level 1. Right up my alley. Perfect for little hands. Well, I don't have little hands, but I think you get it. And then there is the nutritional facts and ingredients. Can you see all that? And then in the kit is that. Now, I don't know if you were here for Halloween, but I had one that I did then. It was a big witch's tower, and every single cookie except for 2 were broken on the inside. It was kind of funny. Here's the instructions. Icing tube instructions. Carefully cut the end of the icing tube in small amounts, as shown above. Do not cut too large or you will lose detail when decorating. 1/4 inch icing pouch preparation. Knead icing pouch to make icing easier to squeeze out. Cut a 1/4 inch opening at corner of pouch and gently squeeze. You are now ready to decorate your cookies. So they show this pre-made icing bag in blue, and then they have a new easy soft and squeezy icing tubes in black, red, and yellow. And then they show you. I don't know why they have so much blue, to be honest with you. They're doing some blue here and there, but they're using more red, it looks like to me, than the blue. So why is there so much blue? Well, let's see. I don't know how big the pouches really are. We can find out right now by opening the box. And hopefully all these cookies are flat and in good shape and a nice tray. Ah, they're bigger than I thought. Oh, so the icing pouch is not as big as I thought either. These actually look to be about the same, so I don't know why they did it this way. Why they didn't just give us 3. 4. This one in that other type of tube. It's almost similar to a pencil, like a paint pen. Okay. I wonder if I should get more cutting boards. Okay, so you have 2 of the 247 car, 2 of this car. The actual details are not as pronounced as I thought they would be because you could barely read the Hot Wheels, and it's a very thin writing. Okay, and then there's 2 of these. So there's 2 of each. Let me just take a quick look because they have them really nicely written on the cover. See that Hot Wheels? It's very thin. Well, we'll do our best. We can make the tire. I'll probably do that one first. That one looks easy enough. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to grab a couple cutting boards, knead some of this material here, and then get started decorating. I'm squishing in the background. Do you hear me squish? All right, I'm going to start with the easiest one. I'm going to cut just a little bit of the tip, like they said, just a little bit of the tip. Let's see what comes out of that. Ooh, a tiny, tiny bit. Okay, that's not enough. A little bit more of the tip. Okay, let's just see. Now this is a tire, so I will use the applique. I'm not bringing in any other tools just yet, but I do think other tools would be very handy. Like a little spatula. To spread that out. Okay, there's the tire. That's the outside of the tire. I think I want to do the inner parts of the wheel in red. And that's got some black on there already. No matter how hard I try, it's like painting. I always seem to get it somewhere it shouldn't be. I don't know how they get it so flat without more tools. I'll just put a little bit. Let me grab my little spatula. See if I could flatten that down. Okay. Yeah, I just don't get it. How they get it so perfect and flat. Okay, there's the center of the hubs, the rim. And then we'll do the Hot Wheels section in yellow. Someone's got some real patience to do this, and to get it the way they have it on that cover. This tool's almost too big. Okay. It looks just like theirs. Well, they have a red border around that flame. Actually, they have a yellow border with red. Let's see if we can get a red border. Look at that. Well, there you go. Perfect. You do realize that I'm here just to show you how the kit works and not to show you my creative skills because they're very lacking. Let's get some of this blue out. Again, I'm still not sure why they didn't just put them all in the same. Okay, so I wonder if I just go real slow. No, it doesn't matter. It's going to come out thick no matter how I do this. Wow, that looks so good. Now, how did they spell Hot Wheels? 2 layers of color to boot, and then they outline the whole thing in a really skinny black line. Wow, that looks spectacular. Yeah, very creative, I must say. Let's see if we can even remotely spell out Hot Wheels. I don't know how they fit this in there. It's so small. And then they have a tiny L and then a tiny S. There. Hot Wheels. I guess I'm just not feeling it today. And definitely okay. I'll tell you what, I think I'm just going to do one car and I'll have Audrey do much better decorating than me. I think you need all kinds of small tools because to get this to go flat can be a challenge. Unless they want it almost liquefied soft, you know. I did mix this up pretty good. And it's a totally different color blue than what they show on the box. Okay, so they have the blue around here. And let's get the black wheels. I almost think you want to move this to a better piping bag. Wow. How's that looking? Good? Like a pro designer? Let us do a red fin. Total pro design. How about yellow windows? You almost need a flat toothpick. That size. Okay. How's that? Now come on, tell me. Tell me that doesn't look good. Okay, don't say that. Don't tell me. Look at that. Highlighted in black. Let's just take a look at that last one. While I'm here doing this wonderful decorating, okay, let's see. Let's do this top half. I squished out too much. Over squished. Now we'll get the wheels. So would you like this kit? That's the only reason I'm showing this kit, to see if you would like it. I've never done a kit like it, so for me, is it worth it? I don't know. And now I'm just getting worse and worse, but there you go. Wheels are on. Is this something you would enjoy doing? Maybe you have A family member who likes to decorate? Who likes Hot Wheels? I don't know. Maybe you do. There's probably enough to do all of them. If you don't put it on as thick as I did, okay. Take a look at that. All right, so there's my creations. Let me zoom in. Does that just make you feel like Hot Wheels are cruising around? Or does it make you feel sick from the horrible decorating? How does it make you feel? What are you feeling right now? Leave that in the comments for me. How are you feeling about this? Does it trouble you that my decorating is so bad? I had fun. I wanted to learn about the kit, which I did. Hopefully you learned something about it too. It is the Hot Wheels Create a Treat, and this is for Christmas 2024. And Merry Christmas to everybody, depending on when this video comes out. Let's give it a bite. It's very hard and dry. It's not very sweet, except for you get a tidbit of the frosting on the wheel. I didn't get a lot. There's not much flavor there in regards to the cookie. It's very light flavored, dry, sugar cookie type base without the sugar crystals on top. That's the way I'd explain it. Well, it's done. Again, have a Merry Christmas, depending on when this video goes out. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now, there was a lot of videos this year, so if you haven't seen them, go in the description. There'll be a playlist there, or in the comments section. Catch up on the 15 or so videos I made. If you can, it would really help the channel. And thanks for watching. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.